Thinking about heating your home, but not sure whether to stick with radiators or switch to underfloor heating? Maybe you are switching to a heat pump and wondering about the best system for it. In this video, we'll break down the pros and cons of both. Radiators have been the go-to heating method for decades, and underfloor heating has been around for hundreds of years. But the real question is, which one works better for how we live today? Let's start with the basics. Radiators heat the air around them. Warm air rises, circulates, then cools, creating convection currents around the room. Underfloor heating works differently. It heats the floor first, then the warmth rises evenly across the entire space. So instead of hot spots and cold corners, you get a more consistent temperature from the ground up. When it comes to comfort, this difference really matters. Radiators tend to create warmer air near the ceiling and cooler air at floor level, right where you're actually living. Underfloor heating flips that. You get gentle, even warmth exactly where you need it, and many people describe it as simply more comfortable. When it comes to efficiency and running costs, standard radiators usually need water temperatures of around 55 to 75 degrees Celsius to effectively warm a room. Larger, low-temperature radiators typically range between 45 to 55 degrees, depending on how much wall space you are willing to sacrifice and how well your property is insulated. Underfloor heating runs best at lower temperatures, typically around 30 to 45 degrees. This can help lower running costs and increase energy efficiency, especially when paired with modern heat sources like a heat pump. But there's a catch. Traditional in-screed underfloor heating has two common drawbacks. First, response time. Because the system is embedded in a layer of screed, response time is low. It can take hours to heat up and just as long to cool down. Second, installation. It's often seen as something you install only during a full renovation or new build, not an easy retrofit option. Radiators, on the other hand, are quick to respond and relatively simple to install or replace. So while underfloor heating offers comfort and efficiency, these limitations have held it back in some situations, making radiators the go-to heating solution. But this is where modern systems have changed things. Low-profile, rapid-response underfloor heating systems are designed to solve these exact issues. Because the pipes are just beneath the floor covering, the system responds far more quickly, warming up and cooling down in a fraction of the time it takes traditional underfloor heating. They can be installed over existing floors, making retrofit projects far more practical. So you get the comfort and efficiency of underfloor heating with rapid response times. There's also the design factor. Radiators take up wall space, which can limit furniture layout options, especially new low-temperature radiators, which are bigger in order to run at lower temperatures. Underfloor heating frees that space completely. No radiators means more flexibility in how you design and use your rooms. So, which should you choose? Radiators are simple, familiar, and quick to react. Underfloor heating offers superior comfort, lower running temperatures, a cleaner look, and now, with modern low-profile systems, rapid response. There's never been more choice or better solutions than there are today. If you'd like to explore whether underfloor heating could work for you, or just want a bit more technical information to help you decide, you can find more details or get in touch with the team at Wonder Group. They can help you understand what's possible for your specific project, so you can make an informed choice. If you're ready to reclaim your wall space, click the link in the description for a free floor plan consultation.